Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about the Finance Commission, that is the balancing wheel of fiscal federalism of India. In the Constitution, the Finance Commission comes under the Article 280 and it is mainly composed of chairman and 4 other members are there. This is the commission in which the Constitution tells about the qualifications of the members of Finance Commission. The chairman should have experience in public affairs and 4 other members. First one be the judges of the High Court, and second should have the finance and account knowledge. The third member should have the financial matters and accounts knowledge, and the fourth member should have the economics knowledge. They are all appointed by the President of India and their tenure is 5 years or as specified by the President. The main functions of Finance Commission is distribution of net tax proceed between the centers to the state, that is vertical, and between the states, that is horizontal distribution of net tax proceeds, and it also principles for the grant in aid, and it measures to augment resources of panchayats and municipalities and other matters that is referred by the president in is also comes under the Finance Commission. The recommendations of the Finance Commission are advisory, not mandatory or binding to the government. It is also quasi-judicial body. Mostly the recommendation of the Finance Commission accepted by the government, but in least cases they are not accepted, but it is not binding that government should accept their recommendation. As we had discussed in the previous slides, that the distribution of net tax proceeds of taxes, that is vertical devolution from the center to the state, and allocation among the state, that is the horizontal devolution. It recommends the share of the individual state out of the total share of the state in the divisible pool, and it also grants in aid to states that comes under the Article 275, and it recommends principles for grants in aid from the center to the states from the Consolidated Fund of India, as in case of UPSC and SPSC. It measures to augment state finances, suggests steps to augment the consolidated fund of the states to supplement the resources to the municipalities and panchayat that comes under the 73rd and 74th amendments of Indian Constitution, and any other matter that is referred by the President. It also comes under the functions of the Finance Commission, that may be the disaster relief funding, performance based incentives, etc. The first Finance Commission was established in 1951 by the K.C. Nigoi, and so far 16th Finance Commission has been established, and the latest, that is 16th, it comes under the chairmanship of Mr. Arvind Panagria. The time period of 16th Finance Commission comes from 2026 to 31, and two main articles that highlights the Finance Commission, that is Article 280 that tells about the establishment of the Finance Commission in the Indian Constitution, and Article 281 that tells the recommendations of the Finance Commission. There are certain challenges in the fiscal federalism, that is first one is the political bargaining, second one is the increasing of budget borrowing, thirdly is horizontal imbalances among the state because the allocation of the taxes in different states is differ on the basis of certain criteria that affects the Finance Commission. Certain questions had been asked in the previous year in UPSC. The question number first tells the consider the following statement regarding the Finance Commission of India. First one is it is a quasi-judicial body. Second, the Finance Commission is constituted by the President every 5 years. Which of the statement given above are correct? A. one only, B second only, C both one and second, D neither one nor second. Kindly give your answers in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question number second is, consider the following functions: assessing the tax resources of the union and the state. Second, suggesting principles for sharing of tax proceeds. Third one is reviewing the fiscal performance of the state. Which of the above are functions of the Finance Commission? A. One and second only, B. Second and third only, C. First and third only, D. First, second and third only. Consider the following. First one, the Finance Commission is appointed by the President of India. Second, the Finance Commission determines the principles on which funds are granted to the states by the center. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. First only, B. Second only, C. Both first and second, D. Neither one nor second. Please give the answers in the comment section. This question had been asked in the CSE Prelims 2013. The question tells which of the following are the methods of revenue sharing between the center and the states. First one is taxes on income. Second, surcharges on taxes. C. Grants in aid. Fourth, cess on taxes. The options are A. First and second, B. First and third, C. First, second, third and fourth, and D. Second and fourth. Kindly give your answers in the comment section.